very first step of our process begins with benchmarking. This gives our clients a chance to see what's around, to decide where they want to position our property in the market. From VETTA, we bring to the clients three distinct conceptual directions. Peak and valley, where there's this big contrast between the lush green of the mountaintops with the mosaic of colors in the fishing village. Or Mount Etna, the contrast between the hard rock exterior of the mountain versus the molten lava on the interior. The client ended up selecting story arc, where you experience peak at the climax of the story. Next comes space planning, where we really test out how the space flows. At this stage, we still love the idea of hand drafting. As nothing is yet set in stone, this allows for a lot of collaboration back and forth with our clients as we work through all of the operational requirements of the project. Now that the space is planned, how does it feel? We looked at inspiration all around us to start to develop the aesthetic quality of this design. From our pin-up series, where we explore different trends, escapism really stood out to us. This is our chance to design something that would transport you, that would allow you to disconnect and be in the moment with us for that 2.5 hours we have you as diner in our restaurant. We also love the futurism trend, especially the Italian futurism art movement that really influenced the way that we look at the interior as well as the branding of this property. It signals a provocative, forward-thinking approach to Italian cuisine, especially a great juxtaposition to the historic fabric of downtown Savannah, Georgia. Speaking of contrast, since the restaurant spans 2 levels, the main dining room on the first floor and the speakeasy bar and private dining room in the basement, we want to give each its own feeling. We revisited the trend of angular versus organic that we explored in the second episode of our pinup series. The first level, with its tall ceiling, gave us a chance to give a sense of grandeur, clean, minimal, so we use all angular forms, while the basement, with its lower ceiling height, we can explore the option to create more intimacy with organic lines. The space in the basement want to almost feel like it's reaching its arm out to give you a warm embrace as you enter it. Now that we have all of the ingredients, from the space plan to the inspirations for our look and feel, this is when the mixologist in all of us starts to come out to create that perfect cocktail that is VETTA, from technicality to materiality. We've reached the climax of the story arc. This concept is rooted in our inspiration of Italian opera, and the star of VETTA? It's the food. From the way that we're designing the show kitchen to represent the proscenium stage, or all of our booths to be reminiscing of luxury boxes in a theater, everything is about showcasing the peak of Italian cuisine that our executive chef is crafting in our kitchen. Let's grab a seat. It looks like the performance is about to begin. Follow and subscribe to Studio THO on YouTube. You don't want to miss this. Happy THOing.
Happy THOing.